Hey everyone, welcome along. We're going to continue on with our essential maths assignment. This week we're looking at section 5, which is all to do with unit pricing. That's a good way of comparing different sizes of, say, battery packs. Is it better to get the twin pack or the pack of 4 or the dozen or what have you? And you can see that we're allowed to use our calculator this week, so that's cool. So I've got a problem here. There are 3 options for us when we're buying washing powder. We can either buy a kilogram for $5.09, we can buy a 2 kilogram pack for $7.68, or we can buy a really big 10 kilo pack for $33.99. I want you to pause the video now and see which of these represents the best value for money. Okay, now that you're back, how did you go? Let's label up the options so we can be clear about what we're talking about. So there's option A, there's option B, there's option C. So what we want to do is we want to compare these, how much for a kilo I think is the most sensible way of doing it. So with number A, it's already done for us, isn't it? With number A, what we've got is this cost us $5.09 per 1 kilogram. Done. We can move on to the next one. Let's think about number B. So with number B, we'll start out with a similar sort of fraction. This time it's $7.68 that we need to pony up, but we're going to get 2 kilograms for our troubles. So we want to convert this into another fraction now. And because we want to be comparing apples and apples, we need to make sure that what we've got down here is 1 kilogram as well. Right now we're comparing apples and oranges. They're not the same thing. All right, so we need to make sure that our denominators are the same. So I'm going to put a 1 kilogram here, and then I'm asking myself the question, how did I convert 2 kilograms into 1 kilogram? And the question is answered by, well, I divide it by 2. If I divide 2 kilograms by 2, I end up with 1 kilogram. So that's telling me that I also need to divide this guy here by 2 to keep things straight. Now, it is a calculator allowed one, so I might do this on my calculator. I've got a pretty fancy one here, $7.68 divided by 2 gives us an answer here of $3.84. Okay, so hopefully that's what you got for number B here, and it's looking like B already is better value than A. Okay, let's do the same thing again with C this time. So with C, it costs $33.99, like so, per 10 kilograms. Hey, what are we dividing by this time? To turn this 10 kilograms into 1 kilogram, I think I heard it coming down the line here. Yeah, we're dividing by 10. So we're going to divide by 10 to go from here to here. So it means it's incumbent on us to also divide by 10 up here as well. Now this is a little bit controversial, isn't it? Because when we put this into the calculator, let's do this one. So $33.99 divided by 10. We've got a call to make here. We get an answer of 3.399. But if we're going into the supermarket, remember we have to be rounding. So I'd probably be more comfortable rounding this to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to say, it's approximately $3.40, roughly speaking. Depends how much precision you want with that, but I think that's a fairly reasonable thing to say in this situation. Instead of saying 3.399, let's call it 3.40. Right, so which is the cheapest per kilogram? It looks like option C is, because that's only costing us $3.40 a kilo, whereas option A is $5.09 a kilo, and option B is $3.84 a kilo. That's all there is to it.